Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Fill a Truck 4x6 clear stamp set. As you can see here, this stamp set includes 7 images and 1 large word, bedazzling. Summer will be here before we know it, and this set will have you covered for Father's Day, picnics, perfect for birthdays. I'm going to stamp the images and give you the measurements on them, starting with the surfboard that measures 1 and 15/16 inches wide by 2 and 5/8 of an inch high. The truck, 2 and 5/8 of an inch wide by 2.5 inches high. The bunch of watermelons, 1 and 15/16 inches wide by 1 and 9/16 of an inch high. And the vines are about 3/4 of an inch wide and about 1 and 5/8 of an inch high. Of course, these cuties here are about 1/4 inch wide. I also want to point out that the surfboard and the watermelons are made to fit in the back of the truck, so you can do some simple masking with those, or you can stamp them individually and die cut them and then layer them on top of each other. Here I colored the truck with my Zig pens, airbrushed a background using the negative pieces of the Slimline Waves die for my sample. We can't wait to see what you create with the Fill a Truck stamp set once it lands in your crafty space. Please be sure to share with us on Facebook in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group, and use the Whimsy Stamps hashtag across your social media platforms. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.